Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 333, Power Pages Action Center. If you are managing multiple Power Pages sites within a single environment, the new Action Center is a great way to keep up to date on what's going on. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. The Action Center is available within Power Pages Home at make.powerpages.microsoft.com. You'll find the link under the Learn content. Here, you'll find a list of recommendations for all of the sites within your selected environment. This can include things like trials that are expiring soon, CDN or WAF not enabled, or SSL certificates that are expiring. Note that once you take action to address any of the recommendations, it may take up to a day for the Action Center to reflect the change. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 333 on Power Pages Action Center useful.